Hello everybody. Now I'm going to explain the second part of exercise 8, sheet number 2, this part. In the first part, I explained how to draw this rectangle with these lines. So to do this rectangle with these lines, we will need the same tools as the first part, the 60 set square, the 45 set square, the pencil, the rubber, and the ruler. Okay, the first thing that we have to do, again, is to draw this rectangle. The dimensions of this rectangle are the same of the dimensions of the rectangle of the first part. So this side is 160 and this part is 80 millimeters. So the process is the same. So as we know that this is the length of this side of the frame, and this is the length of the side of the rectangle. We have to rest them. The result is 20 millimeters, and after that we have to divide by 2, and we have 10 millimeters. So we are going to mark 10 millimeters here, 10 millimeters here, and on the bottom the same. And after that we have to join them. Now I'm going to do the both sides of the rectangle. The length is 80 millimeters. I know that this length is 122. 122 less 80 millimeters, that is the side of this rectangle. The result is 42 millimeters. 42 millimeters divided by 2 is 21 millimeters, or what is the same, 2.1 centimeters. So on the line that I have drawn, I will mark 21 millimeters, 21, 21, and 21, and after that we are going to join them. And now I have the rectangle in the center of this space. So I have to erase the marks that I don't need anymore. Okay, next step. Next step is to mark every 20 millimeters on this line, and the same on every 20 millimeters in this side. So I will put the ruler, the zero of the ruler, on this corner, and every 20 millimeters I mark on this line. And here I'm going to do the same, every 20 millimeters. So finally I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marks, and here 3. What I have to do now is horizontal and vertical lines. So I'm going to start with horizontal lines. I take the 45 set square. I put on this a straight line. I take the 60 set square. I put next to the 45 set square for the longer side. And when I have them in the right position, I move the 45 set square until the first mark, and I make the line. If you have to move your hands to feel more comfortable, you can do it. I have done these 3 lines, and now I'm going to do the perpendicular lines, to do the vertical lines. So you have many options to draw these lines, but I'm going to show you the way to do perpendicular lines. I put the set square as in the same position as before, and after that I change the position of the 45 set square, and now I move it until the first mark, and I'm going ahead. And the exercise is finished. Bye bye.